quite some
What
time.
me I say though? What me I say? Oh, not try to make me the face of Bowers. You have real life Bowers out there, bro. Me say me kiss it at one time. I mean, I have a lie for myself. Me kiss it at one time.
Me I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How we the latest news them lock. Media Fox.
Don't know Media Fox now, yeah man. People, big up on yourself, you know. Respect for the support you see. But we see J-Fay run out and man 450 them, you know, something and Javi them, you don't know. I do them thing, but this a man a getting them feelings, dog. J-Fay, bro, you just make yourself look like a fool, dog. Stop bringing down your brand, brother. You understand? You just a fall in your feelings and all of them little things. But people, we play a video and make you know hear what go on.
You know what this, as I say, 450 are bad artists. Me can't take that way. If me go as far as say I'm my artist too, I'm rate 450. But he does not find a song because he not branch off. So the song them sound the same.
Very familiar, you know.
The song them sound the same, bro. Once you have voice for the same producer over and over and over and over, you have to sound the same. You get me? But true. Hey Mercedes. Fam, find some song yourself, bro.
Brother, you know no sense in that, brother. What you mean by the song them a sound the same, all of them look some there. But look how much time other artists vibes are the same. You never say them sound the same, brother. You understand? Mastica sing with Done with how long. You never hear you say him sound the same. You understand? But you say him a the man for the year and him a drop the song them. You biased, dog. Look how much artists are producer the same set of producer them. You understand? I don't know what you talk about, bro. You understand? You just in your feelings, bro. You forward out and say something. You put it in the media, and when people use it for try do like a simile in a song, you get in your feelings, dog. Bro, man up, bro. You act like a girl, brother. You should have just see that and say, oh, you in your feelings just through the man say like free. You come out and expose yourself, you know. And then nobody tell you say it, you know, brother. You understand? But people, listen what I say.
Find some song. You're the only producer I know that call himself Alkaline producer. And you don't have 3 each song with Alka. As a matter of fact, me go as far as say you really have 1 each song with Alka.
Yo, that brother, yeah. What you mean by Javi have 1 hit song with Alka? What you talking about? Bro, man really in them feelings. Yo, me I tell you. Bro, what you mean by the man have 1 hit song and me not understand, brother. Is it? Me not understand what you try to say.
Producer. And you don't have 3 each song with Alka. As a matter of fact, me go as far as say you really have 1 each song with Alka. And at Ocean Waves. Me not hear Frais call himself Alkaline producer. Crazy hits. Me not hear Jordan call himself Alkaline producer. Crazy hits. Me not hear Sunshine call herself Alkaline producer. Crazy hits. Lee Miller. Crazy hits. Not nice. Crazy hits. But you're the only person call yourself Alkaline producer. And you barely have, you have 1 solid hit.
Bro, you know say you're sick in your head, brother. You realize, bro, them producer back then. You know realize them producer back then, bro, established already. What you talk about? Nobody never know Javi, bro. Alkaline boss Javi as a producer. So if the man want to show Alkaline him respect, he man show him Alkaline him respect, brother. Nobody never did a pre-Javi as producer. So all you gonna say, yo, crazy hits. Bro, you know your feelings, bro. Because a man just use the name as a simile in a song. Bro, remember say not nice them a Gaza them usually the Lee Miller them. You understand? Enough of the producer them where them that link with Alkaline, Frais them, the whole of them. Didn't they that do other artists? Javi never in the game. Alkaline say, yo, Javi. You understand? Him boss Javi as a producer. Is what me I try to say. So if the man want yo show, you're going like say enough producer not stick with one artist. Enough producer do that, brother. Stop going like in no sense, dog. You just dip on the internet and come and cry out, brother, just because of a man in a song, bro. In your feelings. You can't, yo, you know, bro. Bro, remember say you have a brand we work with, brother. Because I don't know how Alkaline fall in this. If you are deal with 450 them, deal 450 them, brother. You understand? Just a slackness in the media, and when people talk about it, you're in your feelings. You bring up Alkaline. If you are this Javi them. You understand? How Alkaline forward in this? Because you know why? Because you know, say if you are this Javi, then nobody not really pay no mind. So you have to call Alkaline name and so you want to get a couple of views on your platform, and we understand that. But bro, if you are this a man, bro, don't use a next man for this a man, brother. You understand? You look weak, that's a dog.
With Alka. So make it make sense, my nigga. When you go find song and you manage the artist and you can't get a collab, all you can get is that picture. Where the Alkaline 450 song there? As a fan, me I wait for it. As a fan, I need that song. I need that song because in reality, you probably don't like me because I say something bad about Alkaline, something on deem bad. Because
Bro, you know me not understand people. How many things, how many platform say something bad about Alkaline and Javi them never say anything. Bro, are you forward out and say yo, you kiss the buff? You say you kiss the buff and the man them use it. It not have nothing to do with Alkaline, brother. How much time you talk about Alkaline? The man them just say one thing in a song, brother. What you talk about? You understand? So you in your feelings. See, in your feelings. Till you all call up and next man name when have nothing to do with you talk about. 450 call a name in a song and I use Alkaline. Bro, you see something no sense on the militant dog. No sense, brother. If you are this a man, brother. If you say something about a man this ain't a song, this him back. Yeah, use a next man for this him. You know sense, bro.
That's what one thing work, you know.
Well, nobody can say you.
DJ song, come here talk to me.
Nobody can say you're like, this is what I need for make sure we get a.
So wait there. Uno on this collab thing. Like, bro, there's a length of time for everything, bro. You feel like say this collab thing, bro. The man them do them thing, dog. Like you don't know if the artist if 450 and Alkaline have collab for do, brother. Me see what y'all try though. Me see say yo, y'all try say yo, the people them like yeah make the people them look away like say yo, it look like Alkaline and Javi them not good enough, so that's why maybe them not get the collab or that yeah make it seems, you know. Yeah make it seems like say yo, Javi them a try be loyal and a big up Alkaline, but Alkaline nah give them no strength. At that member say no, if I never for Alkaline nobody would know Javi and there would be no 450 right now. You understand? So at the end of the day, the man them respect each other. Same like how Cartel can make people know them are artists and everything and them still show respect. At the same thing, bro. You attack one bag of thing, that's what I'm telling you, so now hypocrite in the dog. Cause me remember the interview when them do Russian at a Cartel producer. When them link Russian and say, yo, you wouldn't work with Alkaline, and him say no. Him good over here, so I not talk about them thing there. That's why I show you so now hypocrite in the music, bro. When you just speak up on one side, when you feel like say other side are weak and nobody now go really rare. But when you, with the other side, you're afraid and you can't call out nobody. You understand?
Cross, especially on this episode. Because I hear some things, also see some things that people say, I'm not only accountable. First of all, I'm not hold nobody accountable when me, first of all, if me agree. There's nothing to hold accountable. What me want to get across is that I don't think this is a 450 issue. Clearly, such man have a problem with you. We know why. I won't get into what the situation is.
You know why?
But you know why. You know why. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
Because what is the how your name even drop in at the song? It's the most random drop in I've heard in
Brother, remember said Jeffrey been coming out with something. You understand? A lot of things him forward out with. So me not understand. Say yo, uno say these things on the platform. Girl, people are forward on the platform. Uno say things and when people use it as simile. Remember, you know, the man say free. You understand? It could have been any free. The man could have natural can. But uno pick it up, bro. And I rather uno say because how much, bro, the man in them feelings about weeks now. Just for one little song, bro. You know, no sense. You see it. But it show you, so it a showing up, dog. It a showing up because one little song putting on no feelings till I call up all other people name. But that make no sense, brother. You see it.
So what me I say though? What me I say? Oh, not try to make me the face of Boaz. You have real life Boaz out there, bro. Me say me kiss it at one time. I mean, I have a life. I say me kiss it at one time. Me double down, triple on my life.
Naturally.
Watch yo, people. All him friend behind him, you know. And shame, you know. That's why you see him put him, you saw him have him on. I fix him cap. Like he must say, yo, I don't want nobody see my face and hear this money and say this, you know. You understand? But for sure, yo, bro, are you a brother? Remember you are forward on your platform and I thought them way, you know. So the people them go paint you as that, bro, cause a base slackness and thing forward on your platform them. So when people for talk, are you and make them think you talk on your platform, brother? You understand? See you just come say it, say, yeah, you kiss it one time, bro. You understand? You should have just keep that to yourself, brother. People are going to use it. Whatever you put out there in the media, people are going to use it against you. If you never come talk, nobody would know what to say. So if 450 sing it a song and say, yo, him not real like Frais, bro, you put it out there. I not lie the man I tell. You understand? But you, bro, no can't hold it, brother. You saw me I try to say, no can't hold it, dog. Is it? Yeah, man.
What you say? Because again, Ray say what them say. You see where I come from? So you can't follow, you not use everything. Man, none of them care. See that? See that? You not kiss pussy like Frais. Man, watch out, bro. Like, watch out, bro. In a real life, the other producer, because there's 2 producers on the song. The other producer, it don't even make sense acknowledge him. Honestly. Because he might do music too, and film things them can't even pass 1,000 views per audio. So I'm not even going to do that. You see me? But as I say, we're not going to spend too long. When I have issues with 450, they're bad artists, and I'm going to say, I'm going to find tune eventually. If I'm a method man, but if I'm not find a tune in a long while, and I spend this one bag of money, you know, so could I say me have money? I'll tell you what me vex for. When I had the $500,000 challenge off of my name, and don't send me a dime.
So that's not sent crazy back, bro.
Who could I link Valiant and say, Valley, Jay, your boy, we not like him, but
yeah,
we are the...
You know what the people, you know, say Valiant time artist, right? And when people talk about Valiant, you know, and nothing not going on, him forward out a defend, you know. Seeing? Him a go on like say him no bias too. Cause you was the one before I said, yo, a 450 I drop a song them, you know. Ray. Now, yeah, I said the man Ray, Flopp, this, that. Because what the man maybe call the name in a song, bro. You talk about man I produce. If you see him produce, I sound the same. Bro, you know your feelings, bro. You know your feelings. You understand? You know your feelings, brother. Forward out of your feelings, dog. You understand? You're a big man, dog. Yeah, you even involve Alkaline name when I mean no sense, brother. No sense. You see it? You say, yo, him now go call up. But no, be wash and thing because through Alkaline sing be washing a song. Bro, you know no sense, brother. I tell you, bro. Cause I go like some have artists on the rate too. And producer on the rate. Nobody care. Remember say DJ Mac the run in a dog. How alright, people. Him have DJ Mac round him. Zine, film producer that, you know. And DJ Mac a produce almost song for much artists and then now link with another producer, you know. How him not say them sound the same when DJ Mac depend when DJ Mac a produce them. How them not sound the same too? Bro, no fall out on the feelings, bro, and just talk facts, dog. You understand? Because you even ricochet yourself on the life. A man singing at the song and then you go say, yo, yeah, you do it and you double down and all of them look at something there, your life. Bro, if I your life, nobody no need to know your private life, brother. You understand? Nobody no need to know your private life, dog. Keep that to yourself, man. If you eat the buff with in a privacy, bro. You have a platform for interview people and all of them look at things. Nobody no want to know your private life, and you keep that to yourself, bro. And when you do forward out and say things and people use it against you or use it as a simile or a metaphor in them song, you gone your feelings. Then you put it out there. You understand? So people are going to use it against you, bro. You see, people now if you have nothing with nobody, you know. If something happen in the media, people just use it as a simile. Yo, Ray, I can't jump in the river like Ray. You understand? They're going to use it. But one of them thinking people. But listen to you what going on. Be a crying him on the panel crying now.
Business right
Crazy back road too.
why him tell? And tell me, and me come out and we just do something and we just promote the song together. And we just send the song around the real way. I mean, after the song with a bus, you know. Because nothing wrong with the song. But the song just sound like the average 450 song. You see me? How about the artist? When I was 450 have hits.
The part,
but just not find recently.
the part of the song that make the song is not part there. Because it's a shock.
Yo, you know, me realize with them people in a dancehall, them feel like say people for always a fine song. Bro, look on them big artists out there, them still not fine song, brother. Look how much artists with a great move of we can't find a song alone them a release music. Bounty them being them a release me them now find a song. Bro, you have to understand say, bro. I know every day rainfall. It's like, bro, in a dancehall industry, you can't satisfy. An artist get 10 hits in a short space of time. When him not really rare again, una say, yo, him not find a song, him flop. Bro, you come out of that mentality there, brother. Remember say other people in a space, bro. It's like you want one artist to run the place, bro, every time, all the time. For years. And that's how it thing work, brother. You have time when artists drop them song, but nothing not really go on now. You understand? You gotta have the time when the artist drop something and you know? You see what I try to say? Yeah man, but bro, on the fall out on the feelings, dog.
Value, quote unquote shop value. And I won't even say shop value because that's something I say all the time. At least on toxic.
So that me I say, man, not a problem with that being on the song, bro. The problem is when I promote that part there, when I reach out to tons and them look away, they like say, when I try to get a reaction out of me, bro.
Well, that's exactly what they were trying to do, bro.
I mean purposely never ever do it.
Yeah, we have.
But you contradict yourself. You're saying like you don't have a problem with the rain of the song, but you say, yo, the man might promote that the part there. Are the same thing, brother? Oh, you feel say you don't have a problem with that in a song at that part that they might promote. Bro, are the same goddamn thing? Are you for just fall out of your feelings? You know, say, 450 could have dropped the song, you know. And you know, really saying, you say, oh, like him going around with that, you just allow it, you know. Maybe it wouldn't blow up or people wouldn't get look on the attention array, bro. But you make it even worse. You understand? All if people wanna know the song, I gonna know the song now. Because of what you put out in the media and the people let me use it. You understand? But bro, stop saying things in the media and expect say yo people are gonna use it. That's what I try to say, but people don't know now one media facts, you know, so the things that you see it. Respect for the support. That is it.